Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys X5 with N52 engine guys, N53, N54 or N55 engine, and you're trying to find where your water pump is located, also known as coolant pump. Stay with us guys, we'll cover everything from start to finish, where it's located and where you can expect to find it guys. Before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, so that way we can keep providing these free repair videos. Another thing guys, if you need to buy a new pump, any replacement parts too, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. Please check it out, we share it for your convenience. So now let me show you what we have here guys. This is N52 engine, okay, right here, this is N52 engine. Also we have another channel, it's called Auto Repair guys, where you can find quite helpful information. We have helped more than 69 million people, so please guys check it out. Now back in the day you used to have the water pump driven by the serpentine belt, and on the V8 engine it's still driven by the serpentine belt, which make things really easy guys, because you can locate your pump really easy. But on the N52, this is the 6-cylinder engine, you're not going to see guys, okay, your pump. Why? Because you have AC compressor, crankshaft pulley, power steering pump, alternator, idle pulley and tensioner pulley. No water pump. As you can see, behind that is the cap for the vacuum pump, but there is no water pump so far. But if you come on the very bottom side, towards the left side, okay, right here, on the left side of the crankshaft pulley, you're going to locate one device. That device, you can see, has cables going in. This is actually your water pump guys. This is your coolant pump on your BMW guys X5 with N52 engine. So practically guys, okay, this is it, thermostat pump right here. You can see the cable is right there. We have a video on the channel that actually explains guys how to test it, how to manually activate that pump, so you know for sure, okay, if it's working or not. Also we have a video guys that explains how to bleed the cooling system on a BMW. Super important to know that, because if you don't guys, what can happen, you can actually overheat your engine guys, and that could be catastrophic. That can cost quite a bit of money to fix. You can mess up your head gasket, you can mess up your complete engine guys, and you may need a new engine. So after you replace water pump, first you need to drain the coolant, second you need to replace the pump, third you need to bleed the cooling system the correct way. We'll have videos for all that coming soon, and we'll have a replacement video on BMW N52 engine for water pump replacement coming very soon. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any more questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.